Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Travlin Prof. Today's Russian word of the day, day 20 in our series, is sausage.
Колбаса, колбаса,
You're not saying kol, and you're not saying ka either, like the shortened ah. You're something in between. So it's kul, kul, almost like kul, basa. It's on the last syllable. Kolbasa. So the word is kolbasa. If you like sausages or kolbasa, leave a comment down below. Tell us what your favorite kind of sausage is. We'll see you again tomorrow with our review of week 3. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. That way you don't miss any of our future videos. Until tomorrow, get curious and start digging.
колбаса, колбаса.